Do you sometimes feel that people don't understand you when you ask them a question? They're confused. They're not sure if you have just asked them a question. And if it happens to you, there is a good chance that you're using word order incorrectly. Are you mad at me? Is your sister married? Did you go to the party? Have you seen this movie? Will you come with us? This lesson is for you if you're struggling with asking yes/no questions. Now, why are they called yes/no questions? For a very simple reason, because the answer could either be yes or no. Do you like music? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Is she at school? Yes, she is. No, she isn't. Have they finished? Yes, they have. No, they haven't. Are you hungry? Yes, I am. No, I am not. Can you swim? Yes, I can. No, I can't. All right? So what is the rule? How do we form yes/no questions in English? We begin with a verb, do, is, are, can, does, did, and the helping verb is followed by the subject. Do you? Does she? Do they? Are they ready? Yes, they are. No, they're not. So the rule is very simple. To form a yes/no question, we must begin with a helping verb. All right? Okay. So now let's rewrite some of these sentences. You like chocolate. People can ask, you like chocolate? And you could say, yes, I do. No, I don't. But it's ungrammatical. You like chocolate? It's the intonation that makes it sound like a question, but it's incorrect. Can you rewrite these 5 sentences, okay, and turn them into yes/no questions? Let's try. Pause the video and complete the exercise. Okay, so number 1 is, do you like chocolate? Does she play tennis? Do they need help? Does the teacher speak Spanish? Yes, he does. Or, no, he does not. Does the store open at 9? All right. Okay, now, how about present continuous? Like, are you studying English? Yes, I am. I am studying English with Professor Warsi. Rewrite these sentences. She's working today. How would you ask a question? Make that into a question. Okay, there are 5 short sentences. I need you to form questions. Yes/no questions. She's working today. How would that be asked in the form of a yes/no question? Is she working today? She's not working today. She's sick. Are they watching TV? Are you listening carefully? Is the baby sleeping? Are we waiting for you? In the present perfect tense, like I have seen this movie, or I have finished my homework. Have you eaten? Has she tried sushi? No, she hasn't. She has never had sushi. Rewrite these 5 sentences and make yes/no questions out of them. She's been to Italy. They have finished the project. He has lost his keys. We have met before. I have seen this movie. All right? So have fun doing this exercise. Pause the video now and write 5 yes/no questions. Okay, number 1 is, has she been to Italy? She has. Have they finished the project? Has he lost his keys? Have we met before? I remember meeting you somewhere. I think we have met before. Have you seen this movie? Now, notice something interesting, right? In each of these sentences, 1 through 5, the sentence begins with the subject, she, they, he, we, I. And they become questions, yes/no questions, when we put the helping verb before the subjects. She has been to Italy. What happens when it becomes a question? Has she been to Italy? All right? Great. Okay, continue on. Let's say past simple. What about a question about an action that happened in the past? Did he call you? Right? Did they travel to Mexico this summer? He watched a movie. They studied together. You finished the assignment. We saw a rainbow. She liked the music. I'll pause the video and I'll wait for you to finish the exercise. And we will go over the answers together. All right? So let's do the exercise now. Did he watch a movie? Did they study together? Did you finish the assignment? Did we see a rainbow? Did she like the music? She did. She did. She loved the music. Or you could say, no, she didn't like the music. She didn't think it was interesting. All right? Very good. What about the future? Sometimes people ask yes/no questions about an event that has not happened yet, or an event that will happen in the future. Will you finish your homework tonight? Will she come with us? He'll go to the party. They will come with us. She will sing a Chinese song. They will attend the meeting. The teacher will explain the lesson again. All right? Let's form yes/no questions now. Will he go to the party? Will they come with us? Will she sing a Chinese song? Will they attend the meeting? Will the teacher explain the lesson again? These are all yes/no questions, right? Notice that the answers could be either, will he go to the party? Yes, he will. Or, no, he will not. He is busy. All right. How about would? Modal would. Would you help me? Would you help him with the assignment? Would you buy this mansion if you were rich? Right? So, yes/no questions. Peter would like this idea. She would agree with this decision. This is rather easy. And I'm sure you're doing really well doing the exercises. Can you turn these into questions? What would you do? All you need to do is move the helping verb. Where would you place the helping verb? Try. Give it a try. Let's see. Would Peter like this idea? I think he would. Would she agree with this decision? Would they travel abroad if they had enough money? Would he buy this house if it were cheaper? Would you go to Russia with her? I would. Oh, sure, I would love to go to Russia with her. No, I wouldn't go to Russia. Okay, so now let's try this, okay? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Now this time, let's try to answer these questions, okay? Do you like coffee? How would you answer the question? Is he from Brazil? Did they arrive on time? Has she called yet? Are you coming tomorrow? How would you answer these questions? Pause the video and complete the exercise, okay? Do you like coffee? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Is he from Brazil? Yes, he is. No, he isn't from Brazil. Who told you that? He's not from Brazil. Did they arrive on time? Yes, they did. No, they did not. Or no, they didn't. Yes, she has. No, she hasn't. Yes, I am. No, I'm not. Okay, let's do a final quiz. Rewrite these sentences as yes/no questions. All right, and I have mixed up the tenses. There are different types of tenses here. They're eating lunch. He plays basketball. She has finished reading. You wrote an email. And we're late. All right? Try. And do it slowly. No, don't rush. There's no need to rush. Take your time because it's important for you to write the correct yes/no questions. Right? The grammar should be correct. Okay, I'll wait for you to finish and then I'll show you the answers. Are they eating lunch? Does he play basketball? Has she finished reading? Did you write an email? Are we late? How would you answer? If I asked you the question, are we late? You say, yes, Professor Varsi, we are late. No, we are not late. Correct? So there are two possible answers. Very good. Okay, so here's a final quiz for you. Do you drive? Is the store open? Did he smile? Have they left? Are we ready? How would you answer these questions? Try. Do you drive? Yes, I do. No, I don't. Is the store open? Yes, it is. No, it is not. Or no, it isn't. It isn't, short form. Did he smile? Yes, he did. No, he didn't. Have they left? Yes, they have. No, they haven't. Are we ready? Yes, we are, Professor. Let's learn. No, we aren't ready. Yeah? All right. So here's a comment challenge for you. I'd like you to write the answers in the comments, and I will respond to the best answers. Okay? You like coffee. She working today. They finished the project. He can drive. You enjoying this lesson. She went to the meeting. So have fun with the exercise, because I love reading your comments and responding to them. Work hard, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye.